Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. You all are enjoying your studies. Do you know we completed our syllabus? So, we started our revision. Okay, revision part. First, we will do revision of grammar. In chapter 1, grammar revision is articles. Articles are that the words a and the articles. A and are the indefinite articles and the is called definite article. Okay. See here, we use a or an when we talk about something for the first time. Okay. We use a and an when we talk about something for the first time. We use a before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sounds. We use an before singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. And which are vowels and which are consonants? You know it? Yes, obviously. A, E, I, O, U, these five are vowels and remaining are consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels and remaining are consonants. Okay. So, singular noun begin with the vowel sound. We use an before singular nouns beginning with the vowels. See here. Now I am going to read example of a before singular nouns beginning with the sound of consonant. Means here a boy, a cat, a dog, a fan, a pen. Now we use an before singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. An apricot, an engineer, an injection, an ox, an umpire. See, these are a and an examples. A is used before singular nouns beginning with the sound of consonant and an is used singular nouns beginning with the vowels sound. We use the when everyone knows that we are talking about. Means everyone knows that the sun, everyone knows it, was high in the sky. We also use the if we have talked about the thing before. हम पहले एक बार उसके बारे में बोले हैं तो नेक्स्ट टाइम अगेन एंड अगेन वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज a or and there, so we use the there. Ahmed helped an old woman cross the street. Again here we are not using an old woman, just we are using here the old woman thanked him because we are speaking second time here. A pencil is lying on the floor. Why we used here a? Because P is consonant sound. So we are using a here. A pencil is lying on the floor. I think the pencil belongs to Nima. Here we are not using any a or an here. We are using here only the. These are examples of articles. Now come to your textbook exercise. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. Rahul lives in a small hut. Beautiful house. There are 2 rooms and a kitchen in the house. Why we are using a here? Because K is okay. Arey. कट हो गया. So the house already we used first time there and we are using second time here. So the house, Rahul's room is nice and cool. There is a small table and a cupboard. In his room, Rahul keeps his clothes in the cupboard. First we used A for cupboard because C is a consonant, so we used A there. But next time we are using the here because we are using cupboard second time. He keeps his notebooks on the table. Rahul has an empty shelf near his bed. See here, 7 and 8 example. Table already used in fourth sentence, fourth line. So again we are using here the table, and E is sound of vowels. So we are using here an. Shelf near his bed. He wants to fill it with storybooks. Rahul loves his room. This is exercise of your textbook, page number 6. Okay, if you want to read, you have to read from your page number 6 English textbook. Okay, some importance are here. The use of a or an before word depends on its pronunciation, not its spelling. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound when even if they are spelled with a consonant, like an hour, and higher. An R is used here, O sound is here, so H is consonant, still we are using here and because its pronunciation as a R. O is sounded here, so we use an here. And high, and air. Here we are using A sound, so we are using A here. In the same way, we use a before words that begin with the vowels but are said with a consonant. Sound like an university says U here, so we use A here. A unit, U sounds here, so we are using U sound is here. Even if their vowel is there, then also we are using here A. Okay, these are the uses before depends on its pronunciation. हम जैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं उसके ऊपर आपको ए और एन को यूज़ करना है. ओके, फॉर योर मोर इंफॉर्मेशन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू that one. See here, a boy, we use a before the word beginning with the consonant sound. Read these words: a boy, a school, a book, a mango, a girl, a temple, a boy, a banana, a man, a dog, a doctor, a cuckoo, a woman, a cat, a nurse, a crow. All these words are common nouns. They begin with a consonant sound. They mean only one. These all are in singular numbers. Okay, we use an before the words beginning with an vowel sound. An egg, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an ink pot. Now read these words: an ant, an arm, an owl, an eye, an ear, an uncle, an ass, an iron, an engine, an officer, an onion, an axe, an island. So here, that all are examples of an and a. We use the before something definite or already known. Already in first example I said to you na, first we speak that word, we are speaking that word next second time, so that time we are using the. Read these words. The sun, definitely sun is definite. The sun, the word, the Bhagavad Gita, the Yamuna, the moon, the Ramayana, the Himalaya, the Taj Mahal, the earth, the Bible, the Red Fort, the India Gate, the sky, the Mahabharat, the Ganges, the Pacific Ocean. Note, all these words are common nouns. They begin with a vowel sound. All these words only in one. Word such as or and honest begin with a vowel sound. Okay. So try to do this exercise in your homework. Okay. Put a and n before. A boy, an orange, woman, man, aunt, umbrella is here. You have to use this for your homework. Okay. So these all are of about our articles. Okay. Now listen children, when we use a, an, or an and the, okay, a is used before singular common nouns which begin with a consonant sound. An is used before singular common nouns which begin with the vowel sounds. The is used before singular and plural common nouns which is specific.